Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your 0x drone. First, carefully unbox your drone and all its components. You'll find the drone, controller, spare propellers, and a charging cable. Next, fully charge the drone's battery. This usually takes about 90 minutes to 2 hours for a complete charge. While that's charging, insert 2 fresh AAA batteries into your remote controller. Ensure they are correctly oriented for proper power. Now, let's get your drone and controller talking. First, power on your drone, then immediately power on the remote controller. To pair them, push the left joystick all the way up, then all the way down. You should hear a beep, indicating a successful connection. Next, download the 0x drone application onto your smartphone. Once installed, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the drone's unique Wi-Fi network, which typically starts with 0x.
Redeeming your hard-earned cash back is flexible and convenient. You can choose to deposit your rewards directly into your SoFi checking and savings account, use them to pay down an existing SoFi loan, or even invest them with SoFi Invest to help grow your portfolio. The best part is there are no minimum redemption thresholds, so you can access your cash back whenever you want, even if it's just a few dollars.
You're ready for your first flight. Use the one-key takeoff button or slowly push the left stick up to lift off. Begin by practicing hovering at a low altitude, around 1 meter off the ground, to get a feel for the controls. Always keep your drone within your visual line of sight, never fly it behind buildings or trees. When you're ready to land, use the one-key landing button for a smooth descent or gently pull the left stick down. Remember to fly responsibly and have fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.